Hello, I'm Bob Chvala, Kuraray America's Chief Compliance Officer. I'm here today to speak to you about Kuraray's commitment to develop and provide safe, high-quality products and services. Not only is this our commitment, but it's an expectation. Kuraray will continue to grow as a safe and reliable company by fulfilling this expectation. We rely on employees like you to uphold this commitment and standard. Before we put our products on the market, we must confirm the safety of that product. It needs to meet all compliance, regulatory, and industrial requirements. I urge you to refer to our corporate policies and procedures, as well as those at your site regarding safety, maintenance, and quality. By maintaining this code of conduct, you will help make Kuraray a company where people continue to be proud to work. I expect that each of you will take part in our corporate compliance activities and complete your assigned training. Thank you for your attention and have a safe day.